Deforestation is defined as a clearing or removal of a forest or stand of trees from land which is then converted to non-forest use. According to climate.org, forests cover 31% of our Earth, and every year 46 to 58,000 square miles are being chopped down. In this speech, I will go over how deforestation can affect wildlife, how it can serve as a silent killer to our environment, and how it can affect humans. It can affect wildlife by kicking them out of their homes and ecosystems and also upsetting the food chain. According to greendumble.org, it says the removal of trees and other types of vegetation reduces available food, shelter, and breeding habitats. So basically, when they're kicked out of their ecosystems, they have nowhere to go, so you move to other places, and that disrupts the whole food chain, and the whole thing is like messed up and scrambled around. And then my second point, it affects the environment. Deforestation can also harm the environment by causing bad and unfertile soil and can lead to climate change. The unfertile soil is caused by soil structure, nutrient degradation, and soil salinity. Climate change. Trees provide carbon dioxide and oxygen, and without those two, the climate will change. According to earthellipse.org, we are causing an advertent change in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So basically, when trees are chopped down, the whole carbon cycle is messed up, which is when carbon dioxide is transferred to oxygen, and we breathe it, and carbon dioxide comes out of us, and then it's the whole process, the whole cycle. And without trees, we can't do that, and so the whole thing's messed up. My third point, deforestation can affect humans also by a decrease in oxygen and chronic drought. A decrease in oxygen because trees are getting cut down, as I previously said, in the whole carbon cycle. And chronic drought is because trees are involved in perspiration, which is when it rains and it disrupts the whole process. And when it doesn't rain, crops they can't grow, so that means no food, and that means we don't eat, and eventually humans will eventually die off if deforestation isn't stopped. In conclusion, deforestation is affecting animals, the climate, and humans greatly. Animals will soon run out of places to live, and humans will cease to exist if we don't stop deforestation. Deforestation is destroying our homes, slowly, and we may not see it yet, but it will eventually.